Hello everybody and welcome to another episode of Buses In, where today we're at Alfreton. This time at the bus station as our last visit. The bus station was having a having a rebuild. So it is back. So we got Rainbow One's Trent Barton about 200 MMC heading to Nottingham on the number 1. Here's the 9.3 to Derby, which brought me in. So let's see what shall turn up in Alfreton. Now leaving for Nottingham. Rainbow One 165. Is it? Now heading out to Derby 9.3 is 264. That will continue on to Swanwick, Bussley, Ripley, and then Derby. See that? Now onto approach into Alfreton bus station is 9.3. It's 9.1 to Mansfield. And there comes another 9.1 service on the approach. Now leaving from Mansfield. $257. Nice one got on the time with that. That's off to Mansfield via Sutton and Ashfield, and then on to Mansfield. Now coming in on the Comet on higher, it's a Mango about 200 MMC. And we off to Chesterfield from Derby. See that? Now coming in, we got Stagecoach East Midlands about 200 on the approach. On the 231. See that? Now okay, now on the 231 to Pittston. This is 519. And then comes the Mando, the power 200 MC on the Comet service. 329. And 9.1 as well. 10 to Derby. 252. See that? Now coming in on the 148. Now coming in on the 148 is an uptail solo into Ripley. This being operated by Knox and Derby. It's Transporting. It's Transporting. See, isn't it? Now coming in is the Knox and Derby after Thursday coming in on. I think it's the 55. Now Derby coming in. Yeah, it's on the 55 to Chesterfield. This is the ones that replaced the Hulleys. As Hulleys has these operations. Well, kind of. As you will find that in a bit. See, isn't it? Now coming in is another Knox and Derby service. If it's urban, is this be on the 55? So it's going much definitely I've seen 742. It's 38. So it's urban. Now heading out on the 148A to Ripley. There's an uptail solo on a Knox and Derby service. It's TM travel. And 825 is off into Chesterfield. In the 742. Let's urban. And wave of one is just come in from Nottingham and into Nottingham. Is that now coming in on the 9 service from the 9.3 to Mansfield. It's not first person, Mando livery, 850. Wonder what they're doing that shortly. Now coming in on the H1 service from Derby. It's an about 200 MC. One of the new ones. This will be coming from Derby and the going match shortly. See, isn't it? Now heading out on the H1. This is 325. That'll be coming back shortly. So that'll be on its break. So it'll be back shortly. See, is that? The uptail solo is off, 850. Heading to Mansfield. And hello, look what's coming in here. Hulleys. As you mentioned earlier, Hulleys has ceased operating back in March of this year, and then in the September this year, Hulleys is back, but on the High Peaks is running it, and these are running the Alfreton area. So not the Empower 200 MC, which previously won the 55. So nice to see it back here. See that? Now to Nottingham is 172. See that? Now coming in on 9.3 to Derby. It's another Empower 200 MC. The 9s. Is it? Alright, the Hulleys is off on the 143. (5209). Now heading out to Derby on 9.3. It's 258. Isn't it? Now coming in is a 5 feet surface on the 140. Running a Hulleys service. Empower 200 NC. 5206. 5206. Is that? Now coming in, it's in the X. Now coming in is stagecoach number 1. In its coronation livery. Empower 400 MMC and to what else? See, isn't it? Now coming in on the 9.1 and up camera 365 so just minutes per turn. Now heading to Manor Lane. Isn't it? Alright, the 9s is off. Heading to Mansfield. 262 and it has 10 9 9 7 9 7 8. To Woodhouse and then on to Mansfield. Is it? Alright, the High Peak is off. 5206. Heading to Matlock. Now coming in, it's a comet surface into Derby. It's Irvine. Seven 4 8. See that? Now pin that on the comet surface. It's 748. So it's Irvine. So we're gonna do two more. That's the 1.2 just arriving, and the 9.1 to Derby. We'll do these two, and then we have up. Now heading out to Derby. It's 261. See is that? So not 9.3 to Mansfield, and we'll. And that's about for this video. So I'd like to say thank you so much for watching. Don't subscribe. Oh no, I'll see you next time.